Hi, welcome to Legal Trends. Have you ever received a notification from your phone on any news app or a search engine that pops up as the Supreme Court takes suo motu of an offence? Suo motu is a Latin term which means an action taken by an authority on its own motion. The Indian judiciary has been unquestionably carrying the democratic flag since independence. Suo motu is a power granted to the High Court and the Supreme Court of India under Articles 226 and 32 of the Indian Constitution. A court takes suo motu cognizance of a legal situation when it obtains information about a violation of rights or breach of duty from a third party. Article 32 and Article 226 of the Indian Constitution provide for the filing of public interest litigation in India in the Supreme Court and the High Court respectively. Several times, the Supreme Court and various High Courts have challenged independently taking notice of a legal matter and delivering prompt justice. The Indian courts have taken suo motu cognizance in the legal matters such as contempt of court, reopening old cases, and order probe for a new case. There have been numerous instances recently where the Indian judiciary have taken up suo motu cognizance, such as the Manipur sexual assault of women during the riot. There have been numerous instances in India where the courts have taken suo motu cognizance based upon a letter or a report and have passed a judgment in the interest of public. Suo motu actions have given hope to the general public that the court will change the wrong done to the public at large. Let's look into the recent incident that happened in Manipur. Since May 3, ethnic clashes erupted in Manipur between the dominant Meitei group who live in the Impal Valley and the Kukis who live in the hills. More than 150 people have been reported to be killed in the violence. On May 4, 2023, 3 women were witnessed to be stripped, paraded, gang raped and recorded by a mob in Manipur's Taubal. A 20 seconds video clip of that incident have become viral on many social media platforms. The violence took place after a tribal solidarity march was organized to protest the Meitei community's demand for scheduled tribe status. After the video went viral, the Supreme Court took cognizance of the offence and appointed a special investigation team to make a report on it. On 1st August, the Supreme Court said that there was a complete breakdown of law and order and constitutional machinery failure in Manipur. It had criticized the state police for their lethargic investigation into episodes of ethnic violence, especially those targeted against women. 7 suspects were arrested, including a juvenile in this case. The Supreme Court said that it would constitute an all-female committee of 3 former High Court judges for the rehabilitation and relief work. In a democratic society, the Supreme Court's suo motu powers are essential in upholding justice, equity, and fairness. These powers allow the court to take proactive measures in cases involving public interest and constitutional values, even without a formal petition. However, the court must use these powers carefully to balance the judiciary, legislative, and the executive branches of the government. For more amazing legal content, look no further. We got you covered. Stay lobbyfied.